Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Fun. Today we will see the second part of the desert, that is the semi-arid desert. So let's start. The semi-arid desert is divided into Luni Basin, then we have Nagauri upland, then we have Shekhawati drainage, inland drainage, then we have the Ghaggar Basin. So before this, let me tell you 2-3 facts that between 25 centimeter iso height line and between 50 centimeter iso height line we have the extension of semi-arid desert, and in other words we can say that between arid desert and Aravali we have the semi-arid desert. I hope my things are clear to you. So now let's start. Let's talk about the Luni Basin. Luni arises from Ajmer. Just a minute. Luni arises from Ajmer. It covers Pali, it covers Jodhpur, it covers Badmer, Jalore, Sirohi, then it falls into Gulf of Cambay. So this is the catchment area of river Luni. The river Luni is also known as the Godwad Basin. So let's see the facts. It is also known as Godwad Basin. Then the catchment area is Jalore, Pali, Badmer, Sirohi, Jodhpur, which I showed you through the map. So in Jalore we have a run of Nehad, which is present in the basin of river Luni. Run of Nehad, which is present in Jalore, it is present in the basin of river Luni. Then we are moving towards the Nagauri upland. Just a second, this is the Nagaur region. Okay, and the area slight of Ajmer is also taken in the Nagauri upland region. So let's see the facts. The Nagaur upland region, it is rich in fluoride. It is rich in fluoride, and due to fluoride, fluorosis problem occurs. And due to fluorosis, the spinal cord of people, it is inclined towards the gravity. That is, a hump-shaped spine, the straight spine is converted into a hump shape. This is known as the hump belt. This is known as the Kubad Patti, or we can say the Banka belt. And along Nagaur, Ajmer is also, some part of Ajmer also falls in the Kubad Patti or the hump belt. So now let's see the facts what we have. The first is maximum saline lakes are found, and if saline lakes are found, we will have a large amount of fluoride in them. Due to fluoride, we have the problem fluorosis, and the area is termed as hump belt, Banka Patti or Kubad Patti, and the region which falls in this region is Ajmer and Nagaur. Basically Nagaur, but some part of Ajmer also fall in this region. Then we have the Shekhawati Basin. Shekhawati Basin, in this region we have a major river, that is Kantli, and the drainage of Kantli, it is termed as Torawati. The drainage is termed as Torawati of Kantli river. Then we have Johad. What are Johad? Johad are the uncemented or raw wells, we can say, and the monsoon water is stored in them. Then we have Beed. Beed are pasture lands which are used by animals. Then we have the last basin, that is Ghaggar Basin. Ghaggar Basin, it is in the Sri Ganganagar and Hanumangarh region. We have the Ghaggar river, and the drainage of Ghaggar river is known as Nali. Right? So let's see the Ghaggar river. It is present in Sri Ganganagar, Hanumangarh. Kathi and Baggi. Kathi and Baggi is the fertile soil which is found in the drainage of Ghaggar river, and the drainage of Ghaggar river is termed as Valley. So this was the second part of desert, that is the semi-arid desert. Now we need to look at some important terms which are given in the exams, and it is important from exam point of view. So we have some terms which we need to discuss. We have Khadeen. Khadeen, these are found in Jaisalmer region. These were started by Palliwal Brahmins. These are used for agriculture, and these are kind of temporary lakes, and basically rabi crops are grown in this lake. Then we have the second term as run. It is also known as start, and Khadeen is also known as palaya. We were talking about run. It is also known as start. These are marshy, saline and infertile land present in desert, and these are basically found in Jaisalmer along with Badmer. The next term is Balsan. Balsan, it is a place which is surrounded by mountains all around, or basically three sides, and in between we have a lake, and Sambhar is example of Balsan. Balsan means we have mountains around, and in between we have a water body, so it is termed as Balsan. Then we have the term Pivna. Pivna, it is a species of snake, or we can say species of snake that are yellow in color, and these are found in Jaisalmer. Then we have Bap. Bap, it is a place or a region. Bap is kind of a boulder clay which is found in Jodhpur region. The formation period of Bap is Permo-Carboniferous, and it is the boulder clay is famous of this region, which is known as Bap region. Then we have the Lathi series. Lathi series is defined as it is a you may say that submerged water belt. It is a submerged water belt which is found from Mohangarh in Jaisalmer. This is from Pokhran to Mohangarh in Jaisalmer. We have the Lathi series, and particularly we may say that it is a water belt of 60 kilometers. Then we have the March of Desert. In the previous video I have told you that March of Desert is moving of desert, and I have said over there that it is moving towards the northern side of the state, that is from the Shekhawati to the Haryana belt, right, to the Haryana region, not the belt. So this is the March of Desert, and maximum you need to answer that which type of sand dune is giving its maximum contribution in the March of Desert, right? So these were the terms, and just another thing which you should know, that Jaisalmer is also famous for Akkal Wood Fossil Park. We have the fossil remains over here. Which fossil? Wood fossils, and the time period of this region is the Jurassic period, that is, it is the 18th century. So this was for today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. In the next video we will talk about the second physiographic division of Rajasthan, that is the Aravalli mountain. Till that, stay tuned, be happy, learn, read and revise so that things are into your memory. I'm talking about long-term memory.